Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on January the 27th, 2020. Trump set to present his peace proposal to Israel. U.S. President Donald Trump is expected to unveil details on his Middle East peace proposal to Israeli leaders on Monday as he attempts to generate some momentum toward resolving one of the world's most intractable problems. Trump will hold separate consecutive meetings with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and Benny Gantz, the head of the centrist Blue and White Party, who is Netanyahu's rival in March the 2nd elections. On Tuesday, Trump will deliver joint remarks with Netanyahu at the White House, where the president may reveal details of his peace proposal. The White House hopes that if Trump could get the support of both Netanyahu and Gantz for the plan, it would help provide some momentum. The more than 50 pages long proposal aims to resolve some of the most difficult issues, such as the status of Jerusalem. Global shares fall due to coronavirus impact. Global stocks declined on Monday as investors became more concerned about the economic impact of China's spreading virus outbreak. On the other hand, demand rose for safe haven assets. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan declined 0.4%, while Japan's Nikkei benchmark slipped 2%, marking the biggest one-day fall in 5 months. Chinese shares also dropped 2.2%, with the most Asian markets were closed due to Lunar New Year holiday. US S&P 500 mini futures lost 1.3% in early Asian trade. European shares are also expected to tumble, with major stock futures marking 1.2 through 1.4% drop. On the other hand, safe haven assets climbed, with Japanese currency strengthened as much as 0.5% to 108.73 yen per dollar, its 2.5-week high, and spot gold surged 1% to $1,585.80 per ounce, the highest level since January the 8th. Oil prices slip amid demand concerns. Crude oil prices dropped more than 2% to multi-month lows on Monday as the rising number of cases of the new coronavirus in China and city lockdowns there deepened concerns over oil demand. International benchmark Brent crude futures fell by $1.28 a barrel, or 2.1% to $59.41, having earlier traded at $58.68, its lowest level since late October. U.S. crude contracts decreased $1.24, or 2.3%, to $52.95, having also marked its low since early October at $52.15. Saudi Arabia's energy minister Prince Abdulaziz bin Salman Al Saud, seeking to calm the market, said on Monday he was watching developments in China and said he felt confident the new virus would be contained. He also added he was confident the kingdom and other producers in a group known as OPEC Plus had the capability to respond and steady the oil market if needed. Nestle buys medical nutrition product Zanpep. Swiss food giant Nestle on Monday reported that the company expanded its medical nutrition business by buying Allergan Zanpep, a product for people whose pancreases do not provide enough enzymes to properly digest fats, proteins, and sugars. Nestle will acquire and take full operation ownership of Zanpep upon closing the transaction, with customer transition support from Allergan. Food Market's chief executive Mark Schneider stated in the current deal his company will also get Allergan product Viacase, another pancreatic enzyme preparation, as he seeks to expand in areas of nutrition products that combine properties of medicine and food.